It is formed a neighbor with 192.168.0.1, which is the interface on G00 of branch 1. Let's see if it has learned some new route through OSPF. Right. So let's say do show IP route. Ooh, look at this. It is land. It is land. We are on 2. It is land through OSPF 10.1.1.0/24 of this local area network, which is a good thing. We were not able to ping that network from router 2. Let's try to ping. Do ping 10.1.1.1. We should be able to ping it. Oh, look at this. Now the ping is successful. So now we have full connectivity between the local area networks and this one, but the ISP router is transparent because we are going through a tunnel. Let's verify that. Let's do a trace route. Trace route to, we are on branch 2 to 10.1.1.1 and see what's going on. Okay. So it will see branch 1 as an adjacent router because of the tunnel that exists between the two. So they are not seeing the ISP router. It appears as if, look at this, the next hop, and that is complete. The next hop is 172.16.0.1, which is the tunnel interface of branch 1. That's amazing. That's amazing. That's amazing. So now we have created a tunnel and it's up and running. On the next video, we will do IPsec for security. Let me just show you how to download this lab or create YAML files. Let's go to, okay, let's just make sure everything is safe because we're going to use the same lab. Let's save on all of them. I mean, before we go, I will show you that the ISP doesn't know any route to any network or any of our local network. Let me show you this. Enable show IP route. You can see from here, the ISP route only knows about the directly connected networks. It doesn't know about the 10.1.1 network or the 10.2.2 network because we're using a GRE tunnel and we do not have control over the ISP router, so we are not going to configure anything. But look at this, we have connectivity between our local sites. Okay, everything is set here. Let's just make sure the basic configuration that we configured in this one is saved. Okay, now we can go to branch 1 and say config. Then we say fetch. Then we go to ISP2, then we click fetch. You can see it, we are creating the YAML file. Then go to branch 2 and say fetch. Okay, once they're done fetching, these are still fetching. We're going to select branch 1, branch 2, and ISP. There is no need to create a YAML file for the switch because we didn't configure anything on the switch. Then we go to extract configs. The extraction is completed. We're going to download the lab. This is a shared environment, so let's clean things up. We're going to start the lab. And you can see the CPU going to 0 and the memory usage going to 0. The lab is stopped. We need to wipe the configurations first before we delete the lab. Then we go into dashboard. This is the lab that we created. We're going to delete it and leave everything clean. so that the next person can be able to use the virtual machine. And we log out. And okay, we've come to the end of this video. We'll see you on the next one.